Make sure your USB devices are getting a proper charge. The diagnostic kit lets you monitor the voltage and current being delivered to your device while it's charging, which makes it easy to test different power supplies such as wall and car chargers, computer USB ports, mobile charging banks, and charging stations. It's the perfect diagnostic tool for any test lab or repair facility, because you can monitor the current and voltage consumption of your Apple or Android devices against various power supplies, in order to determine if there's an issue with a specific charger, cable or battery. You can set the tester to either display the voltage or the current reading, depending on your preference. You can also set it to alternate between showing the voltage and the current, so you can keep an eye on both measurements without having to adjust the tester. Save time by charging your devices faster. You can quickly charge your devices using the adapter's built-in fast charge feature when you're charging your devices from a USB port on your laptop. The adapter speeds up charge time by using your computer USB host port as a charge-only port, enabling you to charge your mobile devices as if you were using an AC wall charger. Secure charging. The fast charge mode also provides secure charging. You can disable data transfers and reduce the risks of charging your device from an unknown USB port, such as a public charging station. This helps prevent anyone from stealing data from your mobile device or changing your device's settings. It also helps to protect your devices from downloading malicious files or viruses over a USB connection. Data sync. You can also sync your devices with a laptop using this adapter. You can still charge your device even while it's syncing, but it might charge at a slower rate. USB-A UBS-CHM is backed by StarTech. Top reviews from the United States. Simple and easy way to test cables. It is easy to use and accurately tests cables. I bought it to test micro USB cables and it works great. I can also test all other types of USB cables.